you can offer value, and people would want to come back to you. Again, these products are not offered in the US market yet, but they can be purchased from the US. So I believe a lot of salon owners right now, because they don't know it, they're just sitting on a gold mine. You want to change products or add products. At the same time, you want to save money, and we can do that for you. So if you know me, you know my site, mygemausa.com. And if you hop on to the other website where I can share with you what salon items that we can offer, where you can take advantage of the benefits I just mentioned. So let me share with you that we have a mineral hair color kit. There is 5 colors: 4N, 5N, 6CB, 7KB, and 8N. And it's only $48 as a retail price. I believe this can be used for your business and service. You can also retail it, but at the same time, um, you don't have to. It depends how salon runs their business. uh, I know when I go to salon, they also offer other products that we can purchase and go home. But I know some salons, they just want to use this as a quality product. They want to add it to their menu. So it's a mineral hair color kit. The more and more you use it, the customers will notice more and more healthiness in their hair and scalp. So obviously when you buy enough of it, then you get more and more discounts with this company. And you can sign up at mygemausa.com to sign up for free and get discounts right away. I just launched a video about how to save money with this gem goods. The other one is the shampoo, OE Clinic Pro shampoo. It just came in. As you can see, it's a new product. This shampoo is 750 milliliter, and it's $50 as retail. We have the hair keratin treatment. Again, people do offer this for their services, but at the same time, if you just want to use them at home because you know how to do them, we can offer it. The hair water therapy is 300 milliliters, and it's only $30. Again, I'm showing the retail price. This company is very strict with what the retail price should be. But if you sign up as a gem mover with my site, mygemausa.com, you can then save, you become a member, and basically, so you would enjoy a member price, which is it depends. It can be up to 20% lower. It can be as little as 5% lower. Every product has their own thing. So the hair water therapy is always sold with the mineral hair water hair color kit, because when you combine it, the hair is more shinier and healthier, and I think that's what you want to do. So if we click, let me just share with you more about the products in detail. Again, if you own a salon, I'm sure you're always shopping for a good product that also help you save money. But the hair color kit, there's only 5 color. For healthy shiny hair with luminous pearl extract, we're offering SumSwim brand. So you're aware of our gem moving products, and this is a new one. Especially it being in the US is going to help you save a lot of money. And once people try it, they'll definitely know it's good for them. You're using quality products for them. And I know a lot of people, even from home, they can start a business with this. Experience the magic of mineral hair color kit and let your hair shine with health and radiance. So this pearl extract is it's the patented ingredient in the SumSwim brand. Again, gemmas, the gem moving goods that we offer, the gem goods, they all have uh, uniqueness. It's not something you can just go online and get it. And the competition is so low, and you just want to get the best out of them. And it's a low damage, hypoallergenic, low toxicity, and the minimal, the scent is minimal. Like the salon owners who are home, actually, they can even do it from home if they have babies. I know it doesn't smell. I do use this hair color myself. And now we have the shampoo, OE Clinic Pro M shampoo. It removes oil and fills moisture with soft micro bubbles. So when you pump, it actually comes up as a foam, so you don't need to foam it, right? Um, it's a 5.5 acidic shampoo. Again, you don't have to log in. You can just go online and take a look at these. It's a hypoallergenic, micro bubbles, pH 5.5 sub acidity shampoo. Microbubbles help reduce physical irritation to the scalp. Hypoallergenic shampoo with sub-acid. It offers deep clean with microbubbles. Again, you can go online and read all this, and I'm gonna try to put it up on my website as well. But at the same time, if you could just understand, if you were to start a salon or if you have a salon, you can use these quality products. You can add a menu item and you can offer this as a new service. And I believe once somebody opt into it, once they know how it feels and they go home and they're gonna know you've done something good, you've done a quality work, you've used a good product. And I think that matters, especially me being customer for a while, because I have hair. When I get culling, when I get haircut, or when I get other services, we think about it. We think about what products you used, if it was good for me or if it wasn't. I think if you offer these quality products, again, it can be a unique proposition. It's very easy to become a member and offer these products and start your own business if you have expertise. And I'm calling out the salon interested people or people with salon to just become a member and just save and try it and let us know. I mean, if you love it, then make a business out of it. It's a huge business, I know, because everyone colors their hair. Some people just every 2 weeks, if not every month. So the hair water therapy is 300 milligram, and it's one way to nourish and hydrate your scalp and hair. This is this needs to be combined with the hair color kit. That way, it becomes even more shinier and healthier. Um, when I did that myself, I didn't have to shampoo my hair. So when you color your hair, and you have to shampoo your hair, and you also have to condition, otherwise your hair becomes very thick and coarse, right? And I'm sure there are salons out there use great products, but they're also paying the price. I believe this is a quality product that you don't have to pay a high price because of the way it is. The more you buy, the better kind of a system. It gives you that option. Natural minerals plus small molecule pearl extract, right? For healthy hair. And the thing is, with the hair water, I'm sure if you have an experience where you would spray for everything, for hair cutting, just ironing or styling, or even coloring. You just combine it with everything. And if you have salon, and if the things I'm saying. If you have concern or issue, or you have more information where, I can offer, that would help me, talk about this to more salon or hairstylists, please let me know. I really believe in the product. I know a lot of our customers, they come back when they understand how to use it and get the benefit out of them. But if you're not hairstylist and you're not interested in offering hair shampoo or hair body wash, I'm sorry, the keratin treatments or hair colors, we have this multi-ionizer for salon now. It's our newest ionizer. We've had three types forever, and this is our fourth type now. It would help you save on water, and it would help you save, time, and at the same time it will cut costs on your water bill or anything else. When you have this salon head that's ionizing, and it has antibacterial effect, if you are a nail technician, and at the nail salon, you when you dip your feet, it's usually blue. The blue is supposed to, help you get rid of fungus and disinfect your feet. And with this ionizer, you don't have to do that. You don't have to put in the blue thing. From my experience, we had a salon owner who did this um, ionize. She installed the ionizer, and then this lady who had a car accident 20 years ago, and the nail never grew. Just for 2 sessions of dipping her feet in the ionized water, her nail actually grew halfway. She was so impressed. She sells these ionizer at her shop now. Her shop is in Illinois. So anywhere in the USA, it is a good business. Anywhere you have the salon head, if you can just replace it, I know people will come back to you. Uh, like for pet salons, the hair will shine just for having this, even if you do not use any shampoo or body wash. And also, our ionizer is specific to people who don't want to use shampoo or body wash. So it saves you money right there. At the same time, it's health beneficial for sure. So if you follow my channel, my baby is 100% ionizer baby. The water comes out differently. Just when you have ionized water, and when you add it to your service, people just know, because of the energy stone in it, because of the ionization effect, and because of the spring water. It produces arrowhead spring water. And so we are animals. We are close to our nature. When we have shoes on, we're just walking around with shoes. We don't receive earthing. But when your customers use or feel this ionized water in some way, they know it's good for them, and they always come back. As you can see, this is the spring water. Tap water needs shampoo and body wash to cleanse, but with this, you don't need any other solutions. But at least if you want to, you can just save on shampoo. You can just save on body wash and other solutions you use to disinfect people when you offer services. Anybody who use water in their business, please consider ionizing your water. That way, people who are receiving services will be happy. Pets, children, babies, anybody will appreciate that you are doing this for them, and they will come back happily. I've seen it over and over for services who believed me, believed one of our independent distributors, and bought it and installed it. The owners are happy. Whoever knows what this water does, the way the water effect is, they know that it's good for them because it's close to nature, it's eco-friendly. We can feel it, we're people too, and we want you to offer great product, great quality, great service, and charge what's, uh, however much it's worth. It's a great business. Please consider using our product, try them, and let me know how it goes and what products that you like. Any gem goods that you know so far, please, please share with us so we know what your favorite product is. We know what contents to put out, and we would know how to grow this business. I think everybody needs gem goods. Every home needs, every business needs these great products. We are moving these gem goods together.